Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomials. The goal of this video, continue factoring the difference between two squares. 16y squared over 49. 16, I can write it as 4 squared y squared over 7 squared. According to these rules here, I can write this as a times b quantity raised to the power of n, means 4y quantity square over 7 square. According to these rules here, I can write this as a over b quantity square, means 4y over 7 quantity square. 4y over 7 quantity square. By the same way, 25 is 5 square. 5 square y square. I can write 5 square y square as 5y quantity square. And 5y quantity square over 9 square, I can write this according to these rules here, is 5y over 9 quantity square. 5y over 9 quantity square. To factor this, 16 is 4 square y square over 7 square minus 25 means 5 square x square over 9 square equal under equal. This means 4y quantity square over 7 square minus, and this one is 5x quantity square over 9 square. I'm going to continue in the next slide. I can write this as 4y over 7 quantity square. 4y over 7 4y over 7 quantity square minus under minus. I can write this as 5x over 9 5x over 9 quantity square, and this becomes the difference between two squares. To factor this, 2 big bracket, this one 1 minus 1 plus, means 4y over 7 minus 5x over 9. The same thing here, 4y over 7 5x over 9. To factor 8y cubed minus 72y, the common factor here is 8. And between y to the third power and y raised to the power of 1, there is no power, means 1 here. I take the lowest power, I take y. Here minus. If I divide here, if I divide 8y cubed over, I divide 8y cubed over 8y, I cross 8 with 8, y to the third power over y to the power of 1, when I divide, I subtract the power 3 minus 1, I get y square. By the same thing, I divide 72y divided by 8y, I get 9. I get 9. 72y over 8y. I cross y with y is gone, because 1 minus 1 is 0. 72 divided by 8, I get 9. And this became the difference between two squares, equal under equal. 8 under 8, y under y, and this became y square minus, I can write 9 as 3 square. And this becomes the difference between two squares. I can factor this, 2 big bracket, 1 negative, 1 positive, here y minus 3, and here y plus 3. You have 2 and 50 here. What is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. You have a to the third power, and this is a to the power of 1. I take the lowest power, which is a to the power of 1. You have b here, and b to the third power, I take the lowest power, which is b. Again, if I divide 2a cubed b over 2ab, I cross 2 is 2, I cross b with b, and a cubed over a, I subtract, when I divide, I subtract the exponent, I get a square. And when I multiply 2ab times a square, I get 2a cubed b. By the same thing here, 50 divided by 2, I get 25. I cross a with a, b cubed over b, I get b square. B square. Equal under equal, 2ab, and this is became a square, and this one became 5b quantity square, because 5b times 5b, I get 25b square. This becomes the difference between two squares, means 2ab, and this one, a minus 5b plus a plus 5b. You have 3 and 12. What is the common factor here? I take 3 common factor. You have x to the power of 4 and x squared. I take the lowest power, x squared. You have y to the third power and y to the power of 5th. I take the lowest power, which is y to the third power. Minus here. 3 times 1. I don't need to write 1. But x squared times what to get x to the power of 4? X squared. Y cubed over y cubed is gone. And also when you divide here, 3x to the power of 4 divided by 3x squared, I cross 3 with 3. X to the power of 4 over x squared, I subtract the exponent, I get x squared. And y to the third power and y to the third power cancel each other. Minus. If I divide this by this, 12 divided by 3, I get 4. X squared and x divided by x squared is gone. Y to the power of 5 over y cubed, I subtract the exponent. 5 minus 3 is 2. I get y squared. Equal under equal. 3x squared y to the third power. And this one means x squared. And this means 2y quantity square minus 2y quantity squared. And this became the difference between 2 squared. 3x squared y cubed. 2 big bracket here. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. Here x, and here 2y. And here x, and here 2y. This is your homework. Please try those in your own. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.